Let's build a multi-series indicator so we can display more than one line on the chart. First, switch over to the Indicator Builder tab. Now, add an EMA node. Connect the EMA output to the line output node and connect the source input to the chart source node. Next, let's add a second EMA node. Connect its source to that same chart source node as well. At this point, our EMAs work, but their values aren't adjustable yet. So let's add a couple of parameter nodes. These will let us control the EMA settings later from the indicator menu. Now, since we want to display two lines, we'll need a second output. Add a second series output node and connect the output of the second EMA to this new series output. To keep things clear, let's rename the output series so we can easily tell which line belongs to which EMA. Perfect. Now save the indicator and switch back to the Chart tab. Search for your custom indicator, add it to the chart, and set your values. And there you go. Now you'll see multiple line series plotted on the chart, one for each EMA.